Joining the digital training program with Panos and subsequent masterclasses was without a doubt a great investment in my practice and my life. We are living in a time where artificial intelligence and advanced technologies are not just changing the game, they are creating an entirely new playing field. Staying ahead is no longer optional, it's absolutely essential. This digital program was not just about the training, it was a complete transformation in how I embrace digital tools. The skills I've gained have made me a more effective financial planner. I'm working faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. What used to take hours now take minutes, and my personal branding is reaching new highs. The visibility and credibility I'm building today would have been far more difficult to achieve just a few years ago. If you are not adapting, you are falling behind. And in today's world, that is a risk no professional can afford. So take the leap, invest in your future, and start using technology to its fullest potential. This is the time to adapt now.